In Maricopa, Arizona, homes reflect a unique mix of architectural influences, from southwestern adobe-inspired exteriors to sleek, modern builds and traditional suburban residences. With each style carrying its own character, one element that can make or break a home's appearance is its windows. Standard, one-size-fits-all windows often fail to highlight the architectural details that make Maricopa homes special. That's where custom window designs come in. Tailoring your windows to your home's style not only enhances curb appeal but also boosts energy efficiency and indoor comfort, two essentials in Arizona's desert climate. Why custom windows matter in Maricopa? Custom window designs are more than an aesthetic upgrade. They allow homeowners to complement architectural details. Matching the window style to your home's design creates visual harmony. Maximize natural light. Different styles can brighten interiors while controlling heat gain. Boost energy efficiency. Custom windows designed for desert conditions reduce cooling costs. Enhance curb appeal. Unique window shapes and finishes make your home stand out. With Maricopa's bright sunshine and hot summers, choosing the right design also means enjoying a home that looks beautiful while staying comfortable. Southwestern and adobe-inspired homes. Many homes in Maricopa feature stucco exteriors, terracotta roofs, and arched details inspired by traditional Southwestern design. Windows for these homes often benefit from arched or radius top windows. Echo the curved lines of stucco and clay tile accents. Earth-toned frames. Colors like bronze, brown, or sand blend seamlessly with adobe-style walls. Casement windows. Open outward to allow breezes while maintaining clean, traditional lines. These styles highlight the warmth and timeless character of Southwestern homes. Contemporary and modern residences. For homeowners who prefer sleek, minimalist aesthetics, modern window designs are key. Contemporary homes in Maricopa often emphasize sharp lines, open floor plans, and large expanses of glass. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Create bold visual statements while connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. Picture windows. Provide unobstructed desert views and flood interiors with natural light. Black or dark-colored frames. Add striking contrast against light stucco or stone exteriors. Custom designs in modern homes emphasize sophistication while also incorporating energy-efficient glass to keep interiors cool. Traditional and suburban homes. Many Maricopa neighborhoods feature classic suburban homes with gabled roofs and symmetrical facades. Custom window designs for these homes balance practicality with timeless style. Double-hung windows. Offer versatility and traditional charm while improving ventilation. Bay and bow windows. Add depth and dimension to front-facing rooms, boosting curb appeal. Grids and divided lights. Create a classic, polished look that enhances traditional exteriors. These designs allow homeowners to maintain a familiar style while upgrading to energy-efficient performance. Custom shapes and specialty options. Custom windows also give Maricopa homeowners the freedom to experiment with specialty shapes and finishes that reflect their unique personality. Circular, triangular, or hexagonal windows add distinct architectural interest. Decorative glass inserts provide privacy while letting in natural light. Coordinated finishes. From wood grain interiors to bold exterior colors, customization ensures every detail matches your vision. By working with local window professionals, you can design windows that highlight your home's individuality while withstanding Arizona's climate. Energy efficiency and performance. While style is important, performance is equally crucial in Maricopa's desert heat. Custom windows can be tailored with features such as low-E glass coatings to reflect infrared rays and keep interiors cooler. Double or triple pane glass with gas fills to minimize heat transfer. Insulated frames to reduce energy loss and drafts. This combination ensures that your home stays comfortable year-round without driving up energy bills. Final thoughts for Maricopa homeowners. Custom window designs are the perfect way to celebrate your home's architectural style while improving efficiency and comfort. Whether you live in a southwestern adobe-inspired property, a sleek modern residence, or a traditional suburban home, there's a custom window solution that can elevate your space. By combining thoughtful design with modern performance features, custom windows not only boost curb appeal but also protect your investment in the long run. With professional installation, your windows will reflect the best of Maricopa living: beautiful, efficient, and uniquely yours.